Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your phone can handle split screen. Android 7, 0 or higher usually works. Open the YouTube app and then open the other app you plan to use alongside it because Android requires both recent apps in memory. Once both apps are launched, tap the Recent Apps button or gesture to show the app overview. This lets you pick the first app for split view. Make sure the apps aren't in full screen immersive mode, since that can block split mode. Once you're in the Recent Apps view, tap the YouTube Cards app icon or menu and choose Split Screen. This pins YouTube to the top or left pane. Next, pick the second app from the list or open the app drawer and tap the app you want in the other pane. This creates two active windows. You can drag the central divider to resize them. Make sure YouTube playback isn't restricted by data saver or power modes because that can pause video in split view. To finish, test playback and interaction. You can control YouTube as usual while using the second app. If orientation flips awkwardly, lock screen rotation to keep a stable layout. If playback stops when you switch panes, check battery saver, background activity limits, or app permissions and disable those briefly. This often restores continuous play. When done, drag the divider fully to the edge or tap recent apps and close one pane to return to single app view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.